YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with another weekly episode of scripture writing. My goal is to finish this for the whole year. I'm praying that I will be able to do so. I'm going to go on vacation, so I will have to do a couple weeks ahead of time so that I will be ahead of the videos for while I'm gone for a few weeks. And I won't have access to do this. So anyway, this week I will be here, but the next couple of ones will be made ahead of time. So I'm still in the book of Psalms. You know, that's a long book. But for this week, the 10th through the 16th, on the 10th, it was Psalms 90 and 12. So teach us to number our days, that we may apply our hearts unto wisdom. And then Tuesday, Psalms 91:1, one of my favorite Psalms. For he shall give his angel charge over thee to keep thee in all thy ways. Psalms 96:9. O worship the Lord in beauty of holiness, for before him all the earth. And then 13, on the 13th is Psalms 98:4. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye earth. Make a loud noise and rejoice and sing praise. And on the 14th, make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Psalms 101. On the 15th, who forgiveth all thy iniquities, who healeth all thy diseases. Psalms 103:3. And then on Sunday, which would be today, is Psalms 107:9. It says, for he satisfied the longing soul and filleth the hungry soul with goodness. So these are my scripture writings for the week. And again, I go by chronological reading. I read 3 to 4 chapters a day. I have a chart that I use. I've been using since 2000. And I just read those chapters through, and then I just pick a verse that stands out to me for that particular day. And that's what I write. So I am going to put it on fast forward. I'm going to speed it up. And I'm just going to decorate my pages, come back and show you what I have. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back. I am finished. And I added a lot of color to this one. I used the different types of washi. I used 2 of the Illustrated Faith stamp sets. And these older stamp sets. And I used my Carpe Diem one with the little spots. And I trimmed the 21 stickers, and I think a couple out of here, and some different inks just to give it a little bit of different texture. I like how it turned out. I like the different colors in here as well. And that is my layout. And again, I have a picture up on hzscribe so you can see it more in detail. I pray that you guys are taking the time to write your scriptures, whatever it is that you're focusing on for that day or that week. Give it a try. You don't have to decorate. Just write them. It could be in a notebook, on a piece of loose leaf paper, sticky pad, whatever. Just get used to writing scriptures. Not that there's magic in it. No, it just helps you to remember when you're writing it, reading it, speaking it aloud. It's just another way to remember the scriptures. And I think it looks nice because I don't like my penmanship. I like the artistic work on it. Just adds a little flavor to it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to let God use you as his vessel. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.